Hi guys, if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We like to manage high quality HMOs and singles in and around Birmingham. We've just done checkout for this really nice 2-bed flat in Moseley. I'm just going to see what needs doing. Now it's quite an old flat, so we need to see, make a lot of decisions. Okay, I'm at the flat. I've had a good look around. So essentially I think it's just mostly the bathroom that needs attention. Unless it's just a deep clean. The carpets generally look okay, it just needs a clean. So this is the bathroom. It's quite dated. I mean, this door's obviously quite dated, so we can give it a clean. If there is enough funding, if there's enough money, I would suggest actually just fitting a new bathroom in. Otherwise, the tiles need regrouting, or maybe easier is actually to put new vinyl on top. I think you can get laminate. Yeah, so get lino on top is probably easier. Yeah, lino is probably the best solution for this bathroom. So it's on top essentially, and then clean. That probably needs to be regrouted just in case. That resealed, and then a deep clean. Everything's done. It's already started it, but essentially remove all the old silicone, reseal everything, and then yeah, this is a good deep clean. That probably needs painting as well, some bathroom paint, but I would repaint the whole bathroom really, including the ceiling. Okay, just checking to see that these open. Okay, for ventilation, that's working. The extractor fan's working. These nails need to come off. That's not entirely safe. Personally, I'll just remove this whole unit and just replace it with a sink, and then redecorate. The ceiling probably needs a lick of paint as well, all the way down. The walls can do with a lick of paint. Personally, I would actually just repaint this white. Because it will just make it easier in the future. This room, just redecorate. Bed's fine. That seems like a large double. It just needs a, or maybe it's a small double. It looks quite big. That just needs a clean. If we're going to repaint the bedroom, then ideally repaint this as well. Furniture, I would personally just either repaint it and leave it, or get rid of it. This nail needs to come off. I'm just going to see if there's a nail on the door. I don't think the nail was there. No, it's not. So the nail, I don't think the nail was there checking. So the tenant must put that in. This room is actually okay. So it just needs a deep clean. Really, it's not. We can't really justify repainting it. We could do if you wanted to. Generally, it's a bit grubby around here, but the rest of it is okay for 1 or 2 more tenancies. If you can, I would actually recommend replacing all these doors with white panel doors, because these are quite dated, and white panels is about £20–30. But it'll make a massive difference to the look, especially that door. It doesn't look great. So if we can get prefab white panelled doors for about 20–30 quid, and here as well, I'll just do that because it will make a massive difference. Again, they've put another nail here, so that needs to be taken out. The walls, I think, just redecorate. But everything else actually just needs a deep clean. Again, deep clean. Now, the problem with accent walls being a different colour is that you need to repaint them again. If this was white, it would be really easy. But because it's not white, we need to repaint every wall. I can see it's already started here, but essentially just strip off all the silicone and then redecorate. likewise around here as well. Strip off that all off and redecorate. And then after that, it's just a deep clean. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful. See you.